How to verify your age on X. This tutorial shows you how to get it done through the app on Android. First, open the X app on your Android device and make sure you're signed in. From there, tap your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. At this point, tap on Premium from the list of options. From here, you'll be prompted to subscribe to X Premium. Age verification is tied to the premium account settings, so you'll need an active subscription to proceed. Following this, once you've subscribed, go back into Settings and Privacy, and you'll now have access to the age verification option through your premium account settings. From there, follow the on-screen steps to complete your age verification. Finally, once verified, you'll also unlock a range of additional features that come with X Premium beyond just the age verification. That's how you verify your age on X. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.